Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to reset your TikTok password. If you want to reset your TikTok password, this video is very important for you. To reset your TikTok password, open the TikTok app. From here, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Manage Account. And then you will find Password. Tap Password. And now follow the instructions to reset your password. How to reset a password when you are not logged in. Then tap Sign in. Tap Login at the bottom of the page. Select Use Phone, Email or Username. Then choose email and username. Email or username. Tap Forget Password. Choose to reset password with phone number or email. One thing you need to know, for users who have joined TikTok using another social media account, password will need to be reset from that platform. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.